Right now, we're seeing a unique moment in the world sentiment data, a sentiment score of plus 0.01 combined with a momentum increase of plus 0.29. This is noteworthy because it indicates a notable shift in sentiment despite only a slight score change. Why does this matter? It suggests that while overall sentiment remains neutral, the upward momentum hints at growing positivity and engagement around global topics. You might want to leverage this information for a real-time analysis tool in your app, helping users identify emerging trends as they happen. Our API returns a comprehensive payload that includes sentiment scores, momentum metrics, and semantic clusters, all of which can be invaluable for your projects. To dive deeper into the API documentation, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this data together.